C&D recycling, one of the toughest jobs in the waste management industry. The challenges you face include regulatory requirements, safety, contaminated waste, space limitations, efficient use of manpower and equipment, densification, ease of operation, durability, support, and above all, keeping the flow. No interruptions, no downtime, no wasted time or space. Easier said than done, given the nature of C&D and the currently available solutions. Until now. This is the Annihilator from Continental Biomass Industries. The CBI Annihilator is a low-speed, high-torque shredder that's specifically designed to handle the most demanding waste material, be it highly contaminated C&D or municipal solid waste. At the same time, it has to meet the very high performance demands of the American market and comply with the efficiency requirements of the European and Asian markets. The Annihilator, mother of all shredders, weighs 105,000 pounds, a throughput of 100 plus tons an hour, an extra large feed hopper, an 8-foot by 10-foot 4-inch shredding chamber, twin Haglund CB400 radial piston motors, a shredding chamber lined with 1 1/4-inch AR400 wear-resistant liners, a combined output torque of 250,000 pound-feet, an 8,000-pound anvil, Caterpillar 600 to 1,000 horsepower diesel or electric motors. Let's take a look at how the Annihilator addresses the key needs and concerns of C&D recyclers head-on. Safety is always a primary concern, and the Annihilator eliminates the dangerous risk of the operator having to climb inside the hopper when a jam occurs by offering a hydraulically activated opening that allows for easy material removal straight from the bottom of the hopper. After the material is purged, the system returns to normal operation quickly, easily, and above all, safely. The hydraulically supported anvil also allows the operator to adjust the cutting gap instantaneously during operation, accommodating varying feedstock and providing the flexibility to turn out a custom-sized end product. A 48-inch wide cleated chain belt discharge conveyor with a 25-degree incline operates at a wide range of speeds and provides a discharge height of up to 13 feet. The Annihilator doesn't need an additional operator. The excavator operator controls speed of rotor, cutting direction, and cutting gap, all from an easy-to-use remote. Only components from the best manufacturers in the world, names like Caterpillar, Rexroth, Allen Bradley, Tico Westinghouse, and Haglund's, are used to manufacture the Annihilator. Key construction features include bolt-on reversible tips on the anvil and the rotor, made of forged steel that allow for easy removal and replacement. A tubular frame made of 8-inch by 16-inch by 1/2-inch A50 structural quality alloy steel lined with 1-inch thick AR400 hardox provides a platform of superior rigidity and strength for the 1-inch thick AR400 shredder box, which houses what could be the best rotor ever designed for this type of application. The single shaft 20,000-pound 6-inch forged steel rotor holds 42 hammers weighing 95 pounds each, all secured in machined grooves. Each forged steel reversible tip weighs 22 pounds and is bolted into machined cross slots for easy reversal or replacement. Dual Haglund's car crusher style radial piston direct drive motors provide 97% instantaneous torque at startup. The rotor is designed and built to stand up to anything without missing a beat, and working in combination with the adjustable anvil virtually eliminates the clogging associated with counter-rotating designs. Now, let's see the Annihilator at work and check out how other key issues such as densification, throughput, and reducing space requirements are addressed. First, we look at the Annihilator as a standalone option, grinding some of the nastiest bulky waste and C&D debris, including railroad ties, beams, and mattresses. Consistent throughput and no interruptions. as the Annihilator shreds its way through a typical mixed load of C&D waste. Now as part of a system, feeding a screener or a picking line for further processing. Consistent high-volume throughput. Quiet efficiency using electric drives. No idle workers. Usable end product. And meeting densification demands. Clearly, there's more than great design and manufacturing behind the Annihilator. There's an unusual degree of understanding of the customer's challenges and concerns. Anders Ragnarsson, CBI founder and president, explains his reasons for developing the Annihilator.
A couple of years ago, it became apparent that we needed to build a slow-speed, high-torque shredder. The C&D debris that we are processing became more and more contaminated, and the need to recycle ever uglier debris became a necessity. The concept of slow-speed, high-torque shredders is nothing new. However, what has prior to the Annihilator being built is not standing up to the American demands. We have more contaminated debris here than anywhere in the world. We have higher demand for throughput, durability. So we set out to build a primary shredder that was capable of processing the tonnage and the material that the marketplace needs to have processed. The reaction to this Annihilator has been extremely positive. They say that finally somebody built a heavy-duty shredder capable of doing what they want to do.
CBI customers agree. CBI understands them.
From Anders all the way down to the guys in the parts and service and everything else, it's been a pleasure to deal with all of them. They're very responsive when we go down. They do a great job in making sure that we're not down very long. There's a great sense of urgency to his company, to making sure that my company is up and running all the time.
Behind the scenes at CBI, people like Tim Gauthier, design director on the Annihilator team, are always looking for new solutions to industry challenges.
The mandates for the design were you had to have a certain amount of throughput, it had to be reliable, and it had to be rugged and well built. The CBI uses state-of-the-art hydraulic components. We use Rexroth brand pumps, which are 5,000 psi pressure. The steel that we use in the wear items is used in the mining industry. There's on-screen panels so that every aspect of the operation can be fine-tuned to whatever the customer is grinding at the time, so that you can get the most throughput of the product that the customer is looking for.
If your business could benefit from consistent high throughput, densification rates of up to 50%, reduced personnel and equipment requirements, optimized utilization of floor space, ease and reliability of operation, improved safety, increased material flow, facility control, and flexibility, custom-sized end product that can be used for cover, grading, or sloping material, an improved bottom line, then this is your solution. The Annihilator from CBI. There's a reason our systems meet the most demanding challenges and offer the industry's lowest cost of ownership. It's simple. It's more value by design. It gives CBI clients a powerful competitive advantage. More value by design. Get it from CBI. For more information or to arrange for a free demo at your facility, call us at 603-382-0556.